In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a printer on Windows 11. If you no longer use a printer, removing it keeps your device list tidy and avoids sending documents to the wrong place. This process is quick, and I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Start menu from your taskbar and selecting Settings. This takes you to the main Windows 11 Settings hub, where you can manage devices, apps, and system preferences. Once you're there, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Bluetooth and Devices. This section groups all your connected hardware, from headsets to keyboards, and of course, printers. Within Bluetooth and Devices, select Printers and Scanners. You'll see a list of printers that Windows recognizes on your computer. This may include local USB printers, network printers, and virtual print options like Print to PDF. Take a moment to identify the exact printer you want to remove. If you have several with similar names, check the status labels or default icon to avoid removing the wrong one. Removing a printer here removes it from your profile on this PC and may also remove its associated driver, depending on how it was installed. Click the printer you want to remove to open its details page. You'll see options like Manage, Printing Preferences, and Status Information. Here, locate the Remove Device button. This is the command that disconnects the printer from your Windows setup. Clicking Remove Device won't affect other people's devices on the same network. It simply takes this printer off your list on this computer. When you click Remove Device, Windows will ask you to confirm. Click Yes to proceed. This confirmation prevents accidental removal and is especially helpful if you're working through multiple devices. If you're prompted for permission, that can happen when a printer uses system-level drivers or when certain policies are in place. Just continue if you have the rights to do so. After confirming, the printer should disappear from your printers and scanners list. Give it a moment to refresh. If it still appears briefly, that's usually just Windows finalizing the change. You can open the list again to verify that it's gone. Keep in mind that active print jobs can sometimes delay removal, and you might see a short notice if something is still processing in the background. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a printer on Windows 11. If you ever need the printer again, you can come back to the same page to add it later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your device list clean and organized.